This is Kenzo about Forex. So it's Monday, so let's go straight to our daily analysis. I will start with NASDAQ US30, then I will finish up with gold. Maybe also I'll also try to go to try to analyze DEX or German 30, and I think maybe I should also edit on this analysis, but it means I'll have to squeeze uh, some analysis so that we don't take longer, because we do this daily, so they should not be like very long videos. So here is NASDAQ 100, guys. We have a very nice setup here. Remember, I started with daily time frame, so you can start like that. So this is our support, guys. I also talked about this or spoke about this yesterday. You can see this is a very nice and strong support. So but the market is now creating something like this. So we expect the market to push up even if it comes back, but when the market reaches this area, the market mostly shoots up. But now I see that it seems like we have a small pullback around this area, but don't get scared. This market, the market can still push up. So since we are on a daily time frame, I just wanted to show you this bigger picture here, what's really happening before you go to a bit smaller time frame. You should see that, okay, the market is still fresh. The market just bounced around here, so we expect the market to push higher. Why? Because if you check, it's only 1-2 candlesticks from this level here, so it means we can still have, check everywhere, it's only 2 candlesticks. After 2 candlesticks, the market will just continue pushing higher. You can see the market will just continue pushing higher even here. So even here we can expect the same thing to happen, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to have like pushbacks. The market will just create those things but trying to move higher, you see. So the market won't just create a very simple setup for us, so we just have to search for that setup so that we can get a point where we can say now it's good time to enter. So here we are on a 4-hour time 4-hour time frame. So what we can try to do here is to draw our downtrend line to see if maybe we broken certain areas. You can see that, let me not force that. So I think maybe around this area we have a very nice setup, which I can call look, I hope you can see that, guys. This area, you can see the market, it's bouncing. The market was bouncing around here the time when we're having a sell-off. So it means we are still under this sell-off momentum, under this bearish momentum, and this is a wedge. You can see that. So it means for us to buy, guys, but for us to buy again, it means we have to break this area, then we can say we going to buy. Another thing is, even this area, you can see this area is also a sort of a support. It was a support here, but now it's a resistance. You can see around this area. So for us to get in that trade, it means let's break this one first. If you are an aggressive trader, you can take it there, but remember we still have another second resistance around this area. So it means we have to break this one first to be safer, and break this one, then we can say we're going to take that, you see. So but for us, if we can be here and say you want to buy here, you can be in a very bad situation, which means we just have to wait for this breakouts to happen, you see. So why? Because look, let me just draw a proper line for you. You just have to see, you see this area. So this is an area, an area that we should also respect, guys. You can see this is an area where we should respect. So it means the market, you can see this area, even here. So even here we are on the same level. It means the market can do something like this, even here maybe something like this here, or if that doesn't happen, it means we have to break this area Unfortunately, we also have another resistance, which I think is a bit strong. Since we are on a bullish momentum, the market can just consolidate around this area, breaking this area very slowly. Then after, we can say we have a breakout here. After the market closes above here, you can just take that trade as an aggressive trade, or you can just wait for a retest. Then the market can shoot higher, the market can continue going higher. You see, that way I think it's how the market can react. Or if maybe the market try to push lower, we expect to have this strong support here where we can say the market can push higher again. But remember, we also have this area. The market also has to break this area. You see, you have to draw this. The market has to break this. When the market is out of this bearish momentum, it means now our bullish momentum or they will be very strong, so we will see the market pushing higher. But remember, the market won't just shoot straight, the market will just create something like this. So you should be patient when you are in the market, because you don't have to expect the market to just shoot straight every time, now and then. So the market won't play like that. Or another formation, the market can just create something like that. Why? Because we also have the support here. The market can do that. Then we can expect the market to consolidate before the market shoots higher. You see? So if you are not subscribed, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Just smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Let's grow the group. Let's eat together. If you want to be in the team, check my description, WhatsApp me or Telegram me and be in the group. It's only $50. It's VIP. So that price will change to $100. It's just unlimited offer, guys. So let's go straight to US30. On US30 we see similar stuff, or maybe on NASDAQ I didn't say anything about. Yeah, but I think maybe I spoke about that. Here it's a resistance, that's why the market is trying to push lower. So on US30 we've seen the similar picture. It's similar to NASDAQ. Why? Let me draw that. If you checked my previous or my weekly idea, I hope you saw that these things, they sometimes correlate, which means they sometimes move in the same directions, sometimes they don't. So you should know when to do things, or the best thing is you can just rely on your analysis. Sometimes if your analysis is great, you don't have to check compare the pairs, because your analysis will be like much better. So you see that if I try to do that, you can even bring it lower like this. I'm not interested with doing this. I'm just showing you this thing that maybe here it's just a resistance. It's where the market just bounced back. So here we can see that also US30 was also respecting the same area. This is a support, guys. You can see that, but it seems like we're having a pullback. You see, so that pullback can happen because it's Monday. Things are very slow at the moment. So that if we see that pullback, it means later on we can have a very nice buying opportunity. You can see here, but I don't think maybe the market will reach this area, but it's also possible. But maybe this area is because, let's go to our left, maybe. Yeah, maybe it's because of this area where the market is it was like a small resistance, but I think the market is also respecting that area. So let me try to draw a trend line from there. Sorry, a support line. No, I don't see that. No, I don't think the market is reacting to that. So I think this area, if maybe we were saying this area, the market already broke that area, so we can expect to buy from this area. But I don't think maybe the market is reacting to that. So, or the best thing that we can do, let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening. So the importance of changing your time frames, guys, is because you want to see different pictures on the same chart, because on different, sometimes on a bigger time frame or on a smaller, you don't see what you want to see. So here, let me just remove this. I don't think this is valid. So actually from here, I don't see a nice setup. I don't know, but this one was very nice. We had this breakout and the market is pushing higher. So it means let me try maybe and go to a bit smaller time frame. Maybe I can find something. But if you don't find anything, guys, don't force the market to give you things that they're not there. So what we can do is let's rely on the market at the moment and give us and create those moves that we want. Something like this. Maybe we can try to draw something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like this. So it's where you can say maybe the market will respect these areas, and but don't just jump on the market, just wait for the market to, but I think maybe it does make sense because we can see the market bounce here. It was the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, but we are on a smaller time frame. The market can still push up, but since the market is not open yet, guys, we can have those consolidations, you see. So there's orders that are still pending. When the market open, the market can just go down before it can shoot up. So the best thing is just stay out of the market, or if maybe you're a scalper, maybe you can take that buy. Maybe the market will reach this area, then go back again, something like that. So on US30, I think maybe everything's like that at the moment. So I don't expect much at the moment. It's Monday, guys, so most of the time people lose on Mondays just because they just want to be in the market unnecessarily. So the best thing is to wait sometimes, wait for the market to create those smooth, those nice setups, you see. If that doesn't happen, stay out. We can check other pairs with the German 30 that we can also trade. So let's go to gold and see what's really happening there. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share. You know what to do, guys. Let's grow the channel. So on gold, things looks like everything is bullish. Everything is bullish. We had this bullish momentum for some time now. It means okay, I see something like this here. Yeah, I see something like that, but I also saw something like this. I think maybe it was yesterday. I also saw something like this here. I don't know if it's gold or it's something, but I think I saw something. I don't think it's gold, where the market was just creating something like this. I don't know if it's gold or it's something, but let's just do our analysis. Maybe it was, I no longer remember if it was gold or something, but yeah, even if it was like that, let's see. The bigger picture here is, let's go to a bit bigger. So the thing is here, the market is doing something like this. This is a very nice uptrend, you can see that. So at the moment, for us maybe to jump on gold, it means we just have to wait for that bounce back, for that retest or that rejection. Already it's high, already it's very high, so we can jump on gold when it's like this. So we just have to wait for the market to do something like this, then we can jump on it. So I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you on gold. There's not much. So what I can tell you here is to wait for that bounce back, then we can shoot higher, you see. Then that way, yes, unless if the market comes here, try to break this area, then we can say we're looking for sell. When we will have something like this, guys, we only look for buy opportunities. Why? Just because the market is going up, so you don't have to go against the market. That it's also part of risk management. It will reduce the risk of you losing money unnecessarily, you see. So on an uptrend like this, it means you have like 60% chance of winning. If maybe you bought at the wrong spot, like maybe you bought here, then the market goes against you, you have that chance that the market will come in your favor. But if you placed a sell maybe somewhere here, you have that sell maybe opportunity, and the market never comes around that area, then you're going to lose, and the market doesn't come back around that area or around that zone, you see. So let's see, gold I think is quite easy. We just have to wait for that rejection. So let me try to check if maybe we can get something like DEX German 30. German 30, let's go straight to German 30. If it takes time, I'm going to close. Okay. So here is German 30. It's 4-hour time frame. So the best thing that you can do, guys, okay, I see this, I see you. Let me start with that. So this is a zone, guys. This is a zone. I'm going to do something like this. Yeah, it's a zone. Okay, it's a zone. So let's try to draw another. Let me connect it from here. Yeah, it does make sense, guys. I think it does make sense. So this is actually support and resistance. It's actually consolidating. It's actually consolidating, something like this. So look, I think maybe it's quite easy and quite simple. So if you don't know, some people they can draw around here. You will lose, guys, if you don't know what you are doing. If you draw and cut this areas here, you're going to lose because you think the market is going to bounce around this area and the market pushes higher. When you lose or when you hit your stop loss, then the market drops again. So the best thing that you can do is, I think this, it's a very nice resistance, but this thing sometimes they just don't respect these areas. You can see some crazy moves going up. When you are out, then the market can just drop, you see. So I think, but I think at the moment we are on a nice resistance where the market can push low. I think we should just take this trade after this analysis. So I think, guys, let's just subscribe to the group, be part of the team, and enjoy. Let's eat together, guys. Let's eat together. We've been eating, so I see this can be a nice sell. This can be a nice sell, so I think we're going to take this opportunity here. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe. If you want to be in the group, VIP group, is $50. Actually, that is a 50% special. Just check my description there, telegram me or WhatsApp me, then I will add you in the group only if you paid that $50. I hope you can hear that. NASDAQ 100 and US30 signals only. It's only $25. It's also on special. Just WhatsApp me and let me know. I will just talk to you and I will add you in the group when you make that payment. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.